Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you guys how to keep formula while adding new lines into the database. I think this one is happen all the time. If you are, for instance, I have function here and the data about here on the column A. I will make it zoom in for you. And then if you already done typing the function on the other column, for instance, on D column, it's just simple function A4 times to 8. And then someone or somebody or maybe you intentionally want to add new data above here, and then for instance I will put 5 here, and then this one will be empty blank because there is no function on this one at the first place. Also, you have to drag to the bottom to make it your function able calculate the new data. But the thing is, if only one or two is easy, but the thing is, if you are shared document with your friends, and sometimes it happens when they delete the cells and make it shift to the shift up like this, and it will be reference doesn't exist, etc. Here the solution. What you have to do, instead of using this regular formula, what you have to do, you use the array formula. You use array formula. Just hit the enter and then delete. I will delete the function below. The thing is, the array formula is not only the cells, but you can calculate or add function to range. So I'll put A4 until A22. So basically it will times by 8 times to 8 all the A4 into A22. So I hit the enter. Now it's automatically expand the function times by 8 on this D column. So let's try one more time. When I insert new line, see, it's already automatically times by 8, but since I didn't put the data, now I put the data, for instance 900, it already times to 8 automatically. So that's it. The thing is, you have to study by yourself the array formula function. It's really powerful function on Google Sheets. Thank you for watching. If you think this content is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.